What's up, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Enjoy your weekend with your family. It's gonna be a nice extended weekend for you or for some of you guys. And today, I just want to make a video, a real quick video, regarding the charts, the daily chart of XRP, the BTC dominance, and the total coin market cap. Basically, is gaining dominance versus Bitcoin right now. But before I go into all that, I just want to let you guys know I am giving away $100 worth of XRP at the end of the month. All you gotta do from now until the end of the month is subscribe to the channel, and like the video, please. Thank you guys so much for doing that. Right off the bat, guys, XRP on the daily chart is looking very, very bullish. I hope you guys you know accumulated during this period, even during this price action right here. I hope you guys are still accumulating before it's too late. Altcoin, like I said, is gaining some grounds here. Basically, it's just a great signal that BTC is probably going to be trading sideways or at least for a while altcoins will be rallying. So we've already seen some coins doing their thing, kind of for example, DOT here. I mean, it's getting ready to breakout alert. As well as, guys, I also do 60-second videos, just, kind of giving you guys breakout alerts. Do it all within 60 seconds or less. And I give you guys, kind of like a technical analysis, a real quick technical analysis of some breakout coins, kind of give you guys the opportunity to, jump in, right? But all this is not a financial advice or anything, guys. So don't buy or sell anything that you see or hear on these videos. Another example that I could give you here, for example, like Doge. So I finally broke out here right after Elon's tweet, broke out, came back down to back test this support area right here, and then it might trade sideways again, or it could probably start rallying as well. Okay, so back to XRP, guys. I've been holding since 2017, and I've been accumulating ever since. So, to see this rally is just very exciting for me. That's why I do a lot of my videos based on XRP. I talk about XRP all the time because it's just, any price actions that happen. I'm sure all the XRP community can vouch this. We get excited, we get excited for any price action, especially when XRP starts pumping, right? That's that, guys. I mean, you see here, Bitcoin is kind of just moving down as far as its dominance against all the altcoins, while altcoins are steadily moving up now. So it's gonna be an exciting weekend, guys. I hope you guys are ready. And yeah, I mean, we can come back to a much higher altcoin prices, right? So whether that would be Sunday evening or Monday morning, right? Let's look at a couple more coins that broke out here. So KCS, what was that, right? KCS, KuCoin token. I did a short video about this coin earlier today. Let's see here. Let me go here, and I did a video roughly like right around this area, and look what it did. It went up pretty close to what we said it was going to be, around $7.50. And so far, it's that would be the first sign of resistance right there in that area. So you could see it. This would be on the daily chart. Yes, it is. Let's go look at on the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart, here's where we're at currently. Right there. So we could see this kind of trade sideways right there until we break out of that $7.50 and head over to the next price target of 8. Okay, guys. Let's see what else we got here. The any coins that you guys like here. I know one's pretty popular. One is kind of on this little trend right here. I'm sorry, let me delete my mess right there. Let me go ahead and mark that. It's on that little on that little channel right there. That could be, that looks like a bull flag before it breaks out. Okay, guys, kind of like what happened here. Boom, boom, broke out. Same thing here. Boom, boom, broke out. All right. So, but we are holding this pretty well. We are holding that support pretty well. So we could see another bounce here real soon. This is a good sign. This is a real bullish signal, bullish form right here, guys. Let's look at another one. Let's see. We got Doge already. We did Doge. Let's see here. Man, Binance Coin is it's off the chain right now. So that explains why KuCoin, right? It's doing the same thing. Okay, guys. KuCoin is doing the same thing. So the next one would be crypto. Let's see where crypto is at. I have it in here. Let's see. Let's look it up. What would that be? Crypto. Crypto.com. Um, go look at Bittrex. Right. Boom. Added CRO. That's what it is. So yeah, CRO. So this got all right. So right now we're currently in this channel right here, holding up pretty well in this support. All right. So we could soon uh start bouncing off and break this first sign of resistance right here, right? Local resistance. Touch there, touch there, right here. So it's probably gonna trade sideways a little bit more, right around this area. Okay, right around here until it breaks out, and then the next sign of resistance that I see here is that right there. It's probably gonna hit that, which is 24 24 cents. Then kind of trade it again or trade sideways. Could even go back down, retest that support, and then eventually break out. Other resistance right there is around 27 cents. That's CRO. All right, guys. Hot. Man, it's looking real hot right now. Yeah. Uh, let's see. So that's a breakout right there. Boom to the upside. So it hit a penny, then broke out of this first sign of resistance right here. Now it just went crazy. So you know if volume picks up even more, we could see it rally up a lot higher than this, or we could see it kind of form another flag. You know what I mean? And then head back up. All right, kind of like what it did here, what it did here, and what it did here. This area. All right, guys. No, I'm sorry, my drawing's a little messy, but yeah, I need to fix the sensitivity on my mouse. Um, but anyways, guys, that is all I have for you today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.